Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a Discord account. So if you want to delete a Discord account, just log into your Discord first, then go to this user settings, and then you'll find under the account user settings, go to my account, scroll down, and you'll find here delete account. Click on delete account and it will pop up a final window by asking, in order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership to all of servers that you own. That means all of your servers should be transferred to that someone. So after transferring all of your servers ownership to someone, you can delete this account, otherwise not. So guys, this is how you can delete this Discord account. After giving ownership, just click here and you will able to find this confirmation button. Just click on OK or done. Your account will be deleted. So guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.